Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 spring home decor DIYs. These are great for spring, but could be used all throughout the year. I will be using some thrifted supplies as well as some Dollar Tree supplies, and also some things that I had on hand at home. So this very first one is a basket that I thrifted, made over several times, but I am going to add something to it. I had this napkin, which is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to dress up the basket. So this will be a perfect thing for spring with the nice little flowers, but like I said, you can use it all year round. So I'm going to just I'm going to cut it, and I'm also going to remove the one layer of the napkin, and then I'm going to Mod Podge the whole thing onto the basket. This basket is great to hold maybe Easter eggs for Easter or some flowers. You can also use it as an actual basket and get real flowers put into it if you're chopping them off out of your garden, or just any random decor pieces. I've seen toilet paper being used in these baskets, knitting supplies, craft supplies, really anything. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Sonja, and on this channel I create tons of random DIYs, seasonal DIYs. I do thrift store makeovers, furniture makeovers, really anything home decor related DIY type of videos. So if that's something that you enjoy watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, so that way you get notified when I upload new videos. And those of you returning, thank you so much for your continuing support. So I had added the glue onto the wood pieces, and now I am just cutting it, and once I seal the top, the stuff that I cut off will just rub off, kind of thing. I hope you guys understand being able to explain this well enough, because the wood part will harden, and then you can just either use a little bit of a sanding block, and you can just sand off the pieces of napkin that you don't need. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. I'm just showing you what that looks like. And I was even thinking, now watching this, that if you had some of those stamps, you can totally stamp some flowers on the sides of it. If you wanted to, that would look, I think, pretty neat as well. So here it is. I think it turned out so cute, and I can't wait to use it in my decor. For my next DIY, I had some of these white ceramic bunnies. I'm just using one of them from Dollar Tree on hand from previous years, and I'm going to spray paint it with a chalky black paint. And I'm going to kind of do the same thing. If you guys watched my vintage Christmas ornaments, Christmas ball ornaments that I made. That is what I wanted to do with this bunny. But while so I spray painted black, and while the bunny is drying, I am going to move on to another DIY, and then I'm going to go back to bunny in a little bit. So I had this pillar candle holder, I think that's what they're called, or pedestal candle holder on hand. They came from, I'm not sure whether it was Dollar Tree. I think it was Dollar Tree. It might have been Dollarama. I've had a whole bunch of them at home. And I'm going to use the balsam blue from Annie Sloan. And I'm going to give it one light coat of that paint. And then I'm going to follow with the black paint. And then I'm going to blend them in with a little, I'm going to do a little blending with the rag. So you want the paint not to be fully dried before you move on to your next coat. So while that is drying a little bit, I'm going to go back to my bunny, which is almost dry. He's almost dry, and I'm going to rub on cinnamon all over him. And I just love how vintage cinnamon made this bunny look. I had loved doing this with my ornaments, and I really love the way it looks on the bunny as well. And you just brush off any cinnamon that was left over. So now I'm going back to my candle holder, and I'm going to, like I said, just brush on a little bit of the black. I think it's called, is it graphite? No, graphite is Annie Sloan. It's the black chalk paint from Rust-Oleum. It's what it is. And I'm going to just brush it on, and then I'm going to take a rag and just kind of blend a couple different areas. Once it had a chance to dry, I took my gilding paste from Annie Sloan, and I'm going to just brush it on. I'm kind of covering random areas, going somewhat heavy in some areas, not so heavy in the others. And again, this just gives it a very, very rustic look, which I absolutely love. And this gilding paste a little goes a long way. Now you could leave it as is if that's what you wanted. I think it turned out really, really good, but I thought it would be fun to hot glue a glass candle holder that I had on hand, came from Dollar Tree, on top of it. And now you can put a votive candle in there. You could put decorated with things. I thought some of the ceramic bunnies from Dollar Tree would look good in there, the smaller ones. And I had some of this mossy grass, so I put that in there. And then I'm going to add a bunny to it. You can change it up for any seasons. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me down a comment. Let me know which one was your favorite. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool.